Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig and styled this wig. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Wiggins Hair. I believe I was having a little bit of trouble trying to trying to show y'all this box. But basically, this is what came inside the box. It's these lashes. I got the lashes up close. I got a wig cap, this little scarf thingy thing, Wiggins Hair. These are actually really cute. I kind of like them. They gave me their own bag to put their wig in because now it won't be tossed in my closet. A little edge brush. I like the yellow ones instead of the pink ones. And then I definitely dropped the wig on accident. Whoopsies. This is the unit. It's, I have no idea how many inches. HD 613 Frontal. They had this cap was decked out. They had the little straps. They had the fancy ones too, so you can like take them out. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that. It popped right off. It's like a bra strap connection, so that's what it was. Then they have the basic clips and then the bra strap. So this wig is gonna be hella secure on your head. Now here's the wig after I put it on my wig head. Y'all already know the reason I blurred myself out is because stupid Challan and her stupid boob. So this is just me brushing it or combing it just so it looks a little less frizzy. I think I was gonna take pictures of it or something, and then I was like, nah, we gotta wash it. So that's what I did. This is it after I washed it and I actually installed it for my last video. I don't know why I did that or why I thought it was gonna work. I'm stupid. Anyways, this is from the last time I wore it. I'm putting some conditioner in it just because I didn't do anything after. So okay, let me explain. So what happened was I completely made this video already, and then stupid me lost all my footage, like I mentioned in my last video. I think I mentioned in my last video, or is it this video? I don't know. I mentioned it somewhere. But basically, I lost all my footage of me wearing my units, so I had to refilm all of them and push all the dates back because stupid girl doesn't keep track of her documents properly. So I had to do everything all over again, but it's fine because this video came out better than the last one I made for it either way. So all I did was, I installed it normally like I did in this video. I just did it with got to be glued instead of like glue, which is really good for me because it wasn't hard to get all that out of there. So I was just straightening it because I was going to do a straight style because this wig straightens real nice. So I was like, I'm going to just do that. Right on into the install. I already have my cap installed. I'm going to make a video of y'all showing how I do my caps because I didn't realize people actually wanted that as a video too. So I'm going to do that for y'all. So either way, I use Ghost Bond glue. It's like $17, I believe. That's what I'm doing right now. I dotted around the little perimeter. I only do half of my head at a time because my head never fits lace fronts properly. It's just hella big and I can't ever fit it. And then my baby hairs are really weird. Like my edges, like one side of my edges comes way more like forward versus another part of them, and it's just very annoying. But that's besides the point. So what I did was I dropped the glue on, then I took my little pacica stick and I just slide it down. I do 2 coats. More than 2 coats, you're doing the most, bitch, and you don't need to. So don't do that. I learned my lesson. Learn from me. Learn from me. Listen to me. You don't need to do it. Then I'm taking my little blow dryer, and I really like this blow dryer. I think it's from Revlon. I don't know. I said a random name. I'm almost positive it's Revlon though. I didn't realize how HD this lace was. Like, this is why I'm so happy I had to redo this, because in the first video you could clearly see all my hair underneath because I did not realize that this was real HD. Like, you could see my hair underneath. So I'm happy I had to reinstall it anyways. But yeah, with HD you really don't need too much glue because you're gonna see it. If there's too much, you're gonna see it, especially when you press it in. I learned this from, I don't remember her name, but basically she like puts it on first, then cuts the little pieces of the lace off, and I realized that definitely has like a way nicer touch, and especially definitely more of like a clean finish, you know, like it looks a little more natural, a little better. Then I take my little cute comb. I got a pack of like 80 of these combs for like $5, so I have a drawer full of them. I took that little comb and I realized that I messed up. Y'all see the mess up right there? You see it? Let's make sure you see it a little closer. Yep, stupid girl. So all I did basically was I glued it too close to my cap and it caught onto my cap, and I ended up gluing my cap to my lace like a stupid girl. So I basically had to take my scissors and cut underneath it to fix that, and then use my comb to blend it in. I'm basically just making sure none of the glue stuck the baby hairs down of the wig to my head. That happens to me all the time because I did not do this trick before, but now I do. So all I'm doing is cutting it off. I'm chopping it off right now. Then this is a new thing I've been doing. Apparently everyone's been doing it. I did not know that. I was left out of the club of information. So I just took freeze spray for the like wave front, so I didn't have to put glue all the way at the front, and that's how I've been touching them up like when I go through the days of wearing it, if it hasn't pushed back. So that's all I'm doing is taking that got to be glue freeze. Ooh, child. Take that got to be glued freeze spray, and I just tapped it all on there with the girl. What are you talking about? I took the brush and I just like brushed it there, and then I had these little, I think I put this on wrong, or I did it wrong, I don't know, because mine didn't come off. Ooh, just kidding. Okay, I'm back now. I have all my makeup on. I am about to cut this thing off my head. If I'm looking over here, it's because my mirror's right here. So let's just cut this off. Okay. I didn't define the part. I'm gonna move my mirror over here. I didn't define a part at all. Just because I don't plan on keeping this wig on. I plan on dyeing this yellow and green actually. Girl, yellow and green actually. So I have to tone it and then wash it again. So I just don't want to put all that effort into like, you know, styling it, because I'm not gonna keep it on. And pull out the little earpiece. The way that I don't know why I muted this part, but hey, bye. I really don't feel like it. I don't feel like plugging that bitch in. I don't feel like doing none of that. I'm very tired. In case y'all don't know, it's 4 in the morning, so excuse me if I don't feel like putting in all the work right now. Then I'm gonna take some concealer. Where's my concealer shade? I'm gonna take this concealer that's just a little bit lighter than me, and I'm gonna put this inside the part just so it can look a little bit more real, because I'm not tweezing it. So again, don't know why I muted this, but hey. Oh, I put a little bit too much, but it's okay. We're quarantined. Ain't nobody finna see it. But the thousands of people have watched the video. Okay. It's fine. Y'all watched it happen. Then I'm gonna take a little bit more of my mousse that does not come out like mousse anymore. Okay. It's supposed to be mousse, so just act like that's what it looks like. Okay. Hey. So this definitely flattens it. This does the job for flattening for me if I don't feel like, ooh, if I really don't feel like hot combing, I'll really just use this. That looks disgusting. Y'all, this is supposed to be mousse. I promise it looked like mousse before. It's just been through it. Like, it's just really been through it. It doesn't have, you know, she works real hard, so I'm not gonna take it out on her, so y'all shouldn't either. This is how I'm gonna just slick it down. I was gonna do a middle part, but I just decided that side parts are the only thing I look good in. So we're just gonna do those for the rest of my life. Okay, now let's talk about it. So this hair is very soft. I wanted to start and say that. It straightens so easily. We all know that I'm not good at straightening wigs whatsoever. So I actually was not struggling with straightening this at all. Like, it just did what I said to do. What it said. It just did what I told it to do when I told it to do it. Like, look at it. Like, it's really soft hair. So what happened was I actually filmed this whole video already, like me cutting the lace and everything. That's why the lace is already cut. And then I lost all of the footage. So I lost the footage for like 4 different wig videos. So that's just gonna be, you know, so much fun to have to film them all again. The only thing I got to keep was like all the unboxings, because I put those on a different drive. But yeah, that kind of sucks because I had to film everything again. But this video came out better than the original video I did to this. So I guess I'm pretty happy about that. I am so excited to see how this hair takes the dye. I'm gonna show you all the dyes I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna use Kiss for both, and I'm gonna use Funky Yellow and Neon Green. I'm so excited. I wanted to include this in the video, but they wanted me to do the video without dyeing the hair. And then maybe I'll try to film it and then, you know, maybe include it in the video. Who knows, we'll see. Just in case I don't, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave comments, turn on my notifications. Turn on my notifications, do all that good stuff. And I sounded like Beyonce just now. That's just, wow. It's so crazy. Oh. As y'all just saw, look, girl, too expensive. You were too expensive. I had a little bit of a filming malfunction. But yeah, like, subscribe, leave comments, turn on notifications, do all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.